how you can log in to your DirecTV account. Now DirecTV is a TV service provider, so let's just get into it. First, open up your web browser and then search for DirecTV. Now after you've searched for DirecTV, just scroll down till you find the login page right here. You can directly go to the official page too, or you can just directly go to the login page. I'll show you the both ways. Now this is the official page right here. On the top right, you'll see a sign in button right here. Click on sign in. Just tap on watch now. Click on sign in, tap on watch now, and then you should get directed to your sign in page. Now after you've gone to your login page, click on DirecTV login. Now as you can see, it's loading up. It's gonna take you to your login screen. Now here all you need to do is type in your user ID. Let's just type in a user ID and then type in the password that you have used to first create the DirecTV account, and then tap on sign in, and then you'll be logged in into your DirecTV account. So that is how you log in. It's really simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.